Hello everyone, my name is Stanley Gagwe and welcome to today's commentary on what is happening in the Nigerian political terrain on the 19th of June 2025. I came across a story that got me a bit puzzled. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu felicitated with the former governor of Kogi State, Yahaya Bello, on his birthday. I mean, following what is going on, some of us were quite puzzled. Oh, is it not the same man who is okay? It's okay to identify with them on their birthdays, and of course, they are in the same party. But guess what? Just last Saturday, I came across a story that I have not been able to wrap my head around. Nigerian Union of Journalists presented an award to the same Bello, and guess what? Lifetime Achievement Award. I take that again. Lifetime Achievement Award on media empowerment. And you ask yourself, what exactly is going on? Are we talking about the same Yahaya Bello who is facing criminal charges and of course money laundering to the tune of 110 billion? Your guess is as good as mine. Trust me, I'm not ready to make any comment today. You should tell us what you think about this. Thank you.